Hello all, it's Jolene. Welcome to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys about all the money that I've been earning on YouTube and how I've invested this money. The goal of this video is to basically inspire some people to start their own YouTube channel and then to essentially not spend the money if you don't need to, and instead get yourself investing that money so that hopefully one day you can retire off of YouTube, which is one of my goals. So, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor. I have a craft channel and I teach people how to have the business side along with the crafts right here on this channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, please hit subscribe and let's get on with the show. Okay, so I pulled up my YouTube analytics. I was monetized on February 1st. I actually clicked monetized on February 1st just so I could track this month to month. I was monetized a couple of days before February 1st of 2025. I've been on YouTube for a few years, but now I'm starting to see some actual success with it. So in February, I got 19,000.1 views. I had a 1.5 thousand watch hours, and my estimated revenue for the month was $189.57. Now we can move on to March. So just click here, go down to the next month. From March 1st to March 31st, I earned $162.52. My views were 26,100. My watch time hours were 1.1 thousand. Let's go down to April and see here what exactly happened in April from the 1st to the 30th. Hit apply. And you can see here the estimated revenue was $153.93. And then we'll come down to May, which had 31 days in May. So this might be a little bit better. Yes, it was. Indeed, it was. $222.64. I had a couple of videos in May that did really well, so that's what happened there. Let's see, June. June was a little bit slower for me, and I had $173.48. And my views were 44,800, watch time hours 1.3. And all of this is less, and I'll tell you why in a minute. And then we'll go to July, which this was June, right? No, this was May. No, this was June. Okay, and then we'll go to July, which was $168.51. And then so far for August, we are at the 7th day of August, and my estimated revenue so far is $30.66. Okay, so essentially, I've taken all this money and I've invested it into NVIDIA stock, which I'm sure if you watch any stocks lately, the whole talk is about NVIDIA. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do what you like with your own money. This is what I'm doing with my money, and I'm documenting it here on my channel. So every single penny that I've earned from YouTube, I've put into the stock, and the call sign is YNVD. And I do it on an app called Wealthsimple. I'll have a link in the video description, which is like my friend's link. And if you use the code, you get $25 and I get $25. But essentially, I just want to show you guys how much you can actually grow your YouTube income if you don't spend it. So I have starting, is it going to show all of them? I wish it would show all of them here. View all the activity. Okay, so in, it would have been February, because you don't get paid until the following month. February, I got paid $79.28, and then I got paid $20.78. So I think what happened here was I did actually do 2 transfers into this Wealthsimple account when I actually should have done one. I had done a fractional buy, which you can see right here, and the market buy over here. So I topped it up with the actual money. So once I got this set up and figured out, I just transfer the exact amount of money I've made on YouTube from my business account to my personal account, and then I transfer it into Wealthsimple, and it's just like a banking app on your phone. It's regulated, so you can do your research on the app if you want to. Then on March 3rd, I received a dividend of $1.50, and I'm reinvesting the dividends automatically, which you can choose to do on this app as well. And so it reinvested $1.50 for me. Then on April 1st, I received another dividend of $1.96 that automatically got reinvested as well. Now, this is where I kind of screwed a few things up again because, I'm learning. So in April, I bought $136.90 worth of stock. Now, what happened was I was getting paid by YouTube, but I'm a Canadian. They were taking off US taxes. I figured out that I had not filled the forms out properly. So in a few months, well, this month actually, I resubmitted my tax forms and now they're not withholding my tax. So I actually have another top-up payment. So these payments here for February, March, April, they were all reduced by the amount of tax that was withheld by YouTube in the States, and now it won't be. So April 3rd, I bought $136. April 22nd, I bought $105. So these are just different payments that I was screwing up again, essentially. So I had a fractional buy and a market buy. And in April, I believe this was also the month that I was stupid busy doing something, which I'll show you in a second what I was doing. But I forgot to put the money in from the month before. So I missed out on dividends for that month. Now, in May, I finally started getting this together. And I had a dividend payment of $9.27. You can see it's reinvested here. And then in June, I had another dividend payment of $9.50. So those would be from the two deposits the month before. And then in June, I got more payments here into the account. So I had one for $118.84, one for $165.61. And on July, I earned a dividend again of $15.34. Now, this is also the month that I got the extra payment from YouTube because they withheld the taxes once I filled the forms out properly. They released those taxes to me. So then I was able to put in the taxes that had been withheld to the tune of $229.95. So in total, I invested, it should tell us here, the total value right now is $1,338.97. And it should tell me the amount that I actually invested. And if it didn't, I'll just pull it up on my phone so I can see here. Oh, here it is, TFSA. And I put this into a tax-free savings account as well. And of course, now it doesn't want to pull up. Essentially, it's gone up $276.39. So I've did 1338.97 minus 276.39, $1,062 on YouTube income. And now if we go back to YouTube, we'll actually be able to see the last 365 days. Let's just pull it up. $1,101 is the estimated revenue. So this has got August revenue on it as well. And in August, I have also opened up memberships to the channel, which you can purchase for $2 a month if you want to become a member of this channel. The link will be in the video description. So I think I'm doing pretty good with this right now. Of course, NVIDIA is just going gangbusters. We'll see if the bottom falls out of it. And bear in mind, this is not financial advice. Okay, so then I was going to tell you guys about why I was slow for that month. And I actually wasn't slow in like overall. I was just slow on YouTube because I was working on something ginormous It took me months and months and months to do it, but I did do it, and I got it today. And tomorrow would be, I'm recording this on August 7th, but August 8th is the day that I can tell the world about it because of how it got launched. But I actually wrote a book. It's called From Zero to YouTuber. So this book here was years in the making, and I kind of got sick of hearing YouTubers direct people to their courses. Like, they do a video and they're like, just buy my course and buy my course. And the course is thousands of dollars, and nobody actually puts anything together with resource links that actually make sense, has a flow to it that you could actually follow through step by step to get yourself going. So this is available on Amazon right now. I will show you the Amazon page. You can, I'll put the link in the video description here as well for you guys. But here it is on Amazon. It's From Zero to YouTuber by Jolene Airy. And it has been for sale on Amazon for a few days. And it went on sale on August 2nd. And so far, I've sold 113 copies of my book, which I think is fantastic. And there's the news. I spilled the tea. If you want to have a step-by-step guide for how to get started on YouTube and actually make yourself some money, which you could then invest, this is the book that will help you do that. If you do purchase it, I would kindly ask if you can leave an honest review of the book. I don't need, you know, a whole bunch of fluff in there. If you just could be honest, that would be super helpful for getting me going with that. And I'm super proud of myself. It is, oh gosh, 208 pages, I believe, 199. Where's the end of it? I think by the end of it, it's actually 208 pages. The text goes to the page 200. And of course, you've got things at the beginning like the intro and table of contents and all that kind of stuff. So I hope these videos help you out. I hope this inspires you to start YouTube. Yes, I'm a crafter, but I do have all kinds of training tutorials on this channel about how to start your own business, how to start it with Shopify, and how to become a successful YouTuber. Get the book. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.